Hey guys, this is me back again for part 2, and let's do this. So I'm gonna Monster Reborn. Bring back Kushano. Sink 7. $3,000. Whoa! Oh, dang it! I think he got me 3,000 times 10. That's no 300 times 10. That's 3,000. Ah, dang. GG. What is that? Okay, that GG'd. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna rematch. I don't know. This guy's good. He's got these different dimension monsters, which aren't played often. That, or I'm just very tired and I'm not on top of my game. But let's see if we can do something. Alright. So, let's go. Okay, let's bring out... And then we're going to drop Ganashia. Special summon him with 1800. And that'll end my turn. Yeah, so he's playing good. The way that he's getting, how would I put this? The way that he's getting most of his he's got this damage is basically removing from play everything that comes up, and then just basically, what's the word? Basically just using that against you, like that DD Dynamite. Okay, so now I'm gonna Wind Blast. Drop Cerebral. Special summon him. Then, yeah, he's 7. Sink. Oh, no, I'm not going to do 7. That's going to hurt me more than it's going to help. So I'm going to Battle Phase. I'm going to attack with everything first. Now on my main 2, I'm going to set Kushano. Then I'm going to sink 5. Yeah, I have a bottomless there. So, banish to grave. Bring out Dragon. Draw a card. Phoenix Wing. Oh, yeah, there you go. Well, good job, Baldwin 06. Honestly, that was a really good deck. So, thank you all for watching, and, yeah, it was a fun duel. Peace. Have to stop video.